Scar Audio, Master Will. Wow. Oh, you got a little Barbie in there.
Oh yeah.
Hair tricking. So these. Oh, I've never heard it in this box.
This is full 40-100s at a half a piece. I'm clamping 17K.
Out of the Scars?
Yeah.
Really? Didn't you used to run at a quarter?
Yeah. Yeah.
Wait, so you went up on your impedance and you were still metering. Wow, that's good, man.
Yeah.
Awesome.
This is full 40-100s.
Wow. What subs?
Same ZVX.
ZVXs, okay. Man. All right, yeah, I'd like to hear it. You got a lot of lithium back here. Wow. Is it 14 volt, 15? What do you ride? 12? Oh, 12 volt, okay. What is that tuned to?
That song was probably 35 to 40.
Man.
Now the old port's tuned to 31 still.
Okay.
I've had this port for this box. My grandson be 8 years old this year.
Wow.
So this box 8 years old.
Yep.
I did a 55.7 yesterday sealed, 56.8 in the kick.
Jeez.
At 34 hertz sealed. I clamped 17,895 watts yesterday.
Wow.
And this is full 40-100s, strapped and game masked at one on them, which is a half per.
Yep.
I've got a battery lead up front, and then in the back I've got a limited 7 amp hour, underground 80 amp hour, and a JY 45 amp hour.
All linked together. Okay.
Yep.
Can I see the port and all in the back?
Yeah.
Oh. Team Scar Audio, Master Will. Wow. Oh, you got a little Barbie in there.
Oh yeah.
Hair tricking. So these subs are rated at 1500, but you're giving them how much? A little over. Wow. Man, you're just not clipping, so you take care.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah.
Very nice. Wow.
Yeah, it is. I think it was the Jacksonville show. Was it Get Out Heather?
That was shot last year. Slam Fest.
That's right.
Hey, I like your little Band-Aid. What's going on, everyone? This is JacobViral. I hope you enjoyed the full walk around. We just got a Will system at the Team Deadly Hurt show in Virginia of 2021. Went ahead and put his previous video link in the description. Got to check it out. This is the thumbnail of his video when he had his previous system. Check that out after the demo we get of this new system he has. Well, it's not really new. It's another box he has. He likes to change it out at different shows. Powerful 4500 watt amps. I like the way he has his amp staging on the left and right of his box. On this nice beauty panel as well, so you can kind of see into the box to see how it looks. Got a little shot there so you can see the motors. These are 1500 watt rated RMS subwoofers, and he's running over 4000 watts clamped power to each of these subs when he does burp it. So keep in mind that when you do run a larger amplifier than your subwoofers, you can keep it clean and you can learn your limits depending on what tone and frequency and song you play. So that is one benefit to running bigger amps than your sub is rated for. So always recommend running more power than what your subs are rated for. That way you keep it clean. So we're going to go and get to the bass demo now. Consider subscribing if you haven't already for daily car audio videos, and enjoy.
They call me. You ain't my. Since I told my. Now I'm the. I'm the. Bitches, we. Smoke, we. You ain't my.
What is that tune to?
That song was probably 35 to 40.
Man.
Now the old port's tuned to 31 still.
Okay.
I've had this port for this box. My grandson be 8 years old this year.
Wow.
So this box 8 years old.
Yep.
I did a 55.7 yesterday sealed, 56.8 in the kick, at 34 hertz sealed. I clamped 17,895 watts yesterday.
Wow.
And this is full 4100s strapped and game masked at one on, which is a half per.
Yep.
I've got a battery lead up front, and then in the back I've got a limited 7 amp hour, underground 80 amp hour, and a JY 45 amp hour.
All linked together. Okay.
Yep.
Appreciate the demo, man. Wow.